But in this sweltering place, there are the ultimate desert survivors. These are silver ants, the toughest on Earth. They're built for life in this natural furnace. Their extra long legs raise their bodies off the hot sand, and when they run, they're the fastest ants on Earth. But their secret weapon is their hairy bodies. New science has revealed that these hairs are shaped like tiny prisms, perfectly reflecting the sun and stopping the ants overheating. Being the world's only hairy ant means they can stay busy clearing sand and looking for food in the full glare of the roasting midday sun. They spin round, taking bearings from the sun so they don't get lost in the burning desert. Other insects aren't nearly so tough. This fly has keeled over, and that's what these ants are looking for. It means they can feast on easy victims and stay safe from attack themselves. No other predators could cope with this sort of heat. But even silver ants have their limits. If their bodies go above precisely 53.6 degrees, they will die. They can only stay out in the sun for 10 minutes. And they're running out of time. Some are already expiring. They need to get back underground fast. Just in time.